how to install architrave around the door lining, around the door frame. We need to set up about 5 to 6 mil, quarter inch off the inner edge of the lining. So you can either put a pencil mark on it, measure it up on few points. So basically these are our corners. That's where the mitre is going to be. So for the first cut will be header. Gonna cut the head. We're gonna measure internal corners of the mitre from that point to that point there, and we're gonna cut first piece 45 both ends and pin it on. And that measurement for 30-inch doorway will be just under 30 3/4. You can even do it 30 3/4 will be okay. Now I have secured the middle so I can hold the camera and we just pin it. I'm usually doing 3 pins for the head and then something like 6-7 pins for each leg. Now once that is fixed on the header fixed, I'm going to take 2 7-foot lengths and cut 1 mitre on each one of them. And here we are, made the cut. Now just going to apply some PVA glue. To that joint. And I'm going to pin it. Just line up the bottom. There you go. I'm just gonna put the phone down for a moment so I can hold this tight and pin it. Next step is just to wipe excess glue. Just wipe it off and repeat same thing on the other side. And there we go, that is one side of architrave done. Now I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side of the doorway.